Welcome to this video. In this video, we will explore the incredible power of your mind and how you can harness it to transform your life. Your mind is the most powerful tool that you possess, and by unlocking its potential, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Part 1: The Power of Your Mind. Your mind is a powerful instrument that can be used to achieve great things. The human mind is capable of incredible things, from solving complex problems to creating beautiful works of art. Your mind is capable of shaping your reality and helping you to achieve your goals. One of the most powerful aspects of your mind is its ability to focus. When you focus your mind on a particular goal or objective, you activate the power of your mind and begin to work towards that goal. This focus enables you to make progress towards your goals and overcome any obstacles that may arise. Another important aspect of your mind is your ability to visualize. When you visualize your goals, you create a mental image of what you want to achieve. This mental image helps to activate the power of your mind and helps you to focus on achieving your goals. Finally, your mind is capable of creating new pathways and connections between neurons. This ability to create new pathways enables you to learn new skills and abilities, and it also helps you to adapt to new situations and challenges. Part 2: Harnessing the Power of Your Mind. To harness the power of your mind, you need to develop a few key skills and habits. These skills and habits will help you to unlock the full potential of your mind and achieve your goals. The first skill you need to develop is focus. You need to learn how to focus your mind on the task at hand and avoid distractions. This means developing the ability to concentrate for extended periods of time and avoiding any external stimuli that may distract you from your goals. The second skill you need to develop is visualization. You need to learn how to create a mental image of what you want to achieve and visualize yourself achieving your goals. This mental image will help to activate the power of your mind and keep you focused on your goals. The third skill you need to develop is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the ability to be fully present in the moment and aware of your thoughts and feelings. By developing mindfulness, you can learn to control your thoughts and emotions and use them to achieve your goals. The fourth skill you need to develop is persistence. You need to be persistent in pursuing your goals and never give up. Persistence is essential for success, and by developing this skill, you can overcome any obstacles that may arise on your path to success. The fifth skill you need to develop is creativity. Your mind is capable of incredible creativity, and by developing this skill, you can unlock your full potential. Creativity enables you to solve problems in new and innovative ways and can help you to achieve your goals faster. Part 3: Applying the Power of Your Mind. Now that you understand the power of your mind and how to harness it, it's time to apply these skills to your life. Here are a few practical ways to apply the power of your mind. 1. Set goals. The first step in applying the power of your mind is to set clear and specific goals. By setting goals, you give your mind a specific target to focus on, and this helps to activate the power of your mind. 2. Visualize your goals. Once you have set your goals, the next step is to visualize yourself achieving them. Create a mental image of what it will feel like to achieve your goals and visualize yourself overcoming any obstacles that may arise. 3. Focus on the positive. Your mind is incredibly powerful, and it can be used to create positive change in your life. To do this, you need to focus on the positive aspects of your life and avoid negative thoughts and emotions. When you focus on the positive, you create a positive mindset that can help you to achieve your goals. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for improving your mental health and well-being. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to control your thoughts and emotions, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve your focus and concentration. 5. Take action. Finally, to apply the power of your mind, you need to take action towards your goals. This means breaking down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and taking action on those steps. By taking action, you create momentum towards your goals and begin to see progress. Part 4. Overcoming limiting beliefs. While your mind is incredibly powerful, it can also be limited by your beliefs. Limiting beliefs are beliefs that hold you back from achieving your goals and living your best life. These beliefs can be conscious or unconscious, and they can be deeply ingrained in your mind. Examples of limiting beliefs include beliefs like "I'm not good enough," "I don't have what it takes to succeed," or "I'm not worthy of love and success." These beliefs can be incredibly damaging and can prevent you from achieving your goals. To overcome limiting beliefs, you need to identify them and challenge them. This means becoming aware of the negative beliefs that are holding you back and questioning their validity. Here are a few steps you can take to overcome limiting beliefs. 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is to identify them. Take some time to reflect on your thoughts and beliefs and identify any negative beliefs that may be holding you back. 2. Question your beliefs. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, question their validity. Ask yourself if these beliefs are really true or if they are just holding you back. Challenge these beliefs and look for evidence to support or refute them. 3. Reframe your beliefs. After questioning your beliefs, reframe them in a more positive and empowering way. For example, if you have a belief that you're not good enough, reframe it as "I am capable of achieving my goals and living my best life." 4. Practice positive self-talk. To reinforce your new beliefs, practice positive self-talk. This means using positive affirmations and statements to reinforce your new beliefs and build your confidence. 5. Take action. Finally, to overcome limiting beliefs, you need to take action towards your goals. By taking action, you create momentum towards your goals and begin to see progress. This progress can help to reinforce your new beliefs and build your confidence. Part 5. The power of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for improving your mental health and well-being. When you practice gratitude, you focus on the positive aspects of your life and appreciate the good things that you have. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and increase your overall happiness. To practice gratitude, you need to focus on the things that you're grateful for. This can be anything from your health and well-being to your relationships, your job, or your hobbies. Here are a few ways to practice gratitude. 1. Keep a gratitude journal. Keeping a gratitude journal is a great way to practice gratitude. Each day, write down 3 things that you're grateful for. This can help you to focus on the positive aspects of your life and appreciate the good things that you have. 2. Practice mindful gratitude. Mindful gratitude is the practice of being fully present in the moment and focusing on the things that you're grateful for. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things that you're grateful for and appreciate the good things in your life. 3. Express your gratitude. Expressing your gratitude to others is a great way to reinforce your own feelings of gratitude. Take some time to thank the people in your life who have made a positive impact on you and let them know how much you appreciate them. 4. Use gratitude affirmations. Gratitude affirmations are positive statements that help you to focus on the things that you're grateful for. Repeat these affirmations to yourself each day to reinforce your feelings of gratitude. 5. Practice gratitude in difficult times. Even in difficult times, there are things to be grateful for. Practice gratitude during challenging times by focusing on the things that are going well.